What's up everybody? So in this episode the company has finally sent us a new clip so we can fix the Tesla, put the new part in, let's see if it works. Let's go! Got the new lock system, so we're going to remove this one as we've already got one in here. Put the cable they've sent, it comes with a new mounting bracket and a new clip that clips onto the spring and to the arm. So we're going to take this one off as the other one's still in here. So let me grab from memory this was a size 12. Just loosen this one. I can pull this bracket, we can leave off because we've still got the original one here. And then we'll take the spring off, leave that in place, and this merely goes over the spring like that. Reattach the spring. There we go. So that's in place. Now, just to test, we're going to put the emergency latch down through the hole again. We'll plug this into power and then actuate the actual frunk, see if it actually locks and unlocks the way it should. So for now, we're going to pop this down the hole again so we can reach it on the floor. So that's fine there. And then we need the connector for that device, which we left out here earlier. We can plug this back in. That all seems fine. So now we need the button. So reconnect the button for now. There we go. So we have the button back in. Let me move the camera. So new motor's in, Cables down the hole so we can reach it from the front if we need to underneath. Just push the button. Does it close? Okay, so it's closed. I didn't pull it closed by itself. Okay, so it's opened. That's a good sign. So, what's up everybody? We're a couple of days further and we finally figured out what's happened to the frunk. Originally we had the lock that we tried to take apart and fix. However, there was no saving this. It had water ingestion, so there was just no getting this better. So we ordered a new one. Thankfully the manufacturer sent us the new one. We put it in and that's what you saw in the last video, and it still didn't work. So after doing a bit of diving, I received a couple of texts from the manufacturer who said yes, it won't work as they've changed the internal construction of the motor and we need to cut some wires. So they've sent us a list of things. Well, in the list of things that they sent us, they also gave us the attachments or the soldering butt connectors in order to cut the wires and join them. So once again, let's take the frunk apart, take everything out and do this wiring job. Let's go. So, disconnected the power, pull the frunk apart again. So now I just want to check, because they've sent me specific pictures on what exactly we need to do. So they've sent me exact images of what we need to achieve. So interesting. I'm going to see what we're going to do here. Let me have a look. So we need to cut the outer grey one so the outer grey one to the white one, and that goes then for, so we're going to cut the white one. Here goes nothing. We've cut it. And the outer grey one. So those there. And then in doing that, we now need to join this grey one and that white one and loop these two. So we're going to strip the cables a bit. So now we have these connectors that we got on the page. So
Hij is open. Nog een stap.
does it work, Zaki? Oké, dan weten we dat.
Nee, ik haal hem in mijn zakken, hè.
Oké. Weer voorzichtig.
Ja.
Trying to bring you closer so you can. So we've had to cut the grey wire that's split in two. How do they expect you to get this right? We'll definitely have to put some more tape over this when we're done. Let's hope that holds. Now we've got to do the same to this. I really don't understand how they expect this long thing to do that, but Not the greatest wiring job, I'll admit, but right, so apparently that should now be functioning. And I figured out, well, I got told that we can actually test it. So if we insert it there, so apparently if we click this twice, repower everything up, it works. Wow. So we have a fully functioning now. So we can put this into the bottom, put everything back together, and she should function. Let's give it a go. So what was the point of all this, you say? Well, there we go, and she closes and open. Let's get the app. There we go, sorted. Let's put the liner back in, get this buttoned up, and she's done.